Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn practical number 8, paper 1. Aim to study the physical and chemical properties of acetic acid. Apparatus, test tube stands, etc. Chemicals, acetic acid, red and blue litmus solutions, sodium bicarbonate. Then procedure: take 2 to 3 ml of acetic acid in a clean dry test tube. Note down its color and odor. Add 4 to 5 ml water to the acetic acid in the test tube and mix well. Take 2 ml of acetic acid in a test tube. Add blue litmus solution to it. Do the same procedure for red litmus solution. Observe both the test tubes. Take 2 ml of acetic acid in a test tube and add pinch of sodium bicarbonate and observe. See, this is the observation table. Odor like vinegar. Acetic acid has vinegar like odor, inference. Then second point, solubility in water. Acetic acid is soluble in water. Acetic acid is inference soluble in water. Effect on litmus. Blue litmus, it turns red, inference. Acetic acid is acidic in nature. Red litmus does not change color, so inference is the same. Now reaction with sodium bicarbonate. It is colorless and odorless gas bubbles are evolved. Carbon dioxide gas is evolved when acetic acid reacts with sodium bicarbonate. Now pass the gas through lime water. At first lime water turns milky, but if the gas is allowed to pass for some more time, the lime water becomes colorless again. So inference is carbon dioxide gas is evolved. Now CH3 reaction, CH3COOH acetic acid plus NaHCO3 sodium bicarbonate gives you CH3COO Na plus carbon dioxide plus water. In the reaction, sodium acetate is formed and carbon dioxide gas is released and water is also formed. Acetic acid has odor like vinegar. Now we will see whether it is soluble in water. Now I am adding water to it. You can see it is soluble in water. Okay. Then next, effect on litmus. I will take acetic acid in a test tube.
Blue litmus.
This is a blue litmus. I am adding to acetic acid. I have taken. See, it is turning red. Completely it has turned red. Now I am taking another test tube and I am adding red litmus. So what is conclusion? Blue litmus turns red, means it is acidic. Now red litmus I have taken. Red litmus remains red. Now the next is effect with sodium bicarbonate. Now I am taking again. Taken sodium bicarbonate here. Sodium bicarbonate in a then we are adding here acetic acid, CH3COOH, that is acetic acid. Now I have taken lime water here. Lime water is colorless. Now you will observe what happens. Now I am putting the rubber cork. Now you can see color is changing of lime water. It has turned milky. Yes. Now if it is in excess, then again that lime water turns colorless. So what is the reaction taking place here? CH3 COOH plus NaHCO3 gives you CH3 COONA, sodium acetate, and then carbon dioxide gas is released, because of which this lime water turns milky and then water is formed here in a test tube. Gas evolved here is also colorless and odorless, which is carbon dioxide gas. Thank you.